Hi, my name is Elliot and I love grilling. I've done a lot of traveling and something I've noticed is that hot dogs are not just an American thing. Let's make a bunch of different hot dogs from around the world. Heat your grill and put on your sausages. Make sure you get a nice char on all sides. For the Colombian hot dog, we're going to be using mayonnaise, crushed potato chips, pineapple, mustard, ketchup, and boiled quail eggs. For the Brazilian hot dog, we're going to be using a split roll, corn, shredded carrot, diced ham, shoestring fries, pico de gallo, cilantro, grated parmesan. For the Amsterdam hot dog, we're going to be using a long hot dog in a bun covered in pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese. Throw that back on the grill and make sure the cheese gets nice and ooey gooey. For a Swedish hot dog, we're going to be using a flatbread instead of a bun. You're going to surround the dog in mashed potatoes, shrimp salad, lettuce, and fried onions. Roll it up, and there you have your Swedish hot dog. Alrighty, let's give this Colombian hot dog a try. Don't forget to take out the skewer. Woo! That is good. Sweet, salty. I don't think I've ever had a quail egg before. Next up, we have the Brazilian dog. I am super excited for this one. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's glizzy gobbler, or try to glizzy gobbler this one. Oh, halfway. Oh my God. That's crunchy. Now that is a mouthful. This one is really, really good. We got French fries. We got some Pico. Ooh. This one's good, but you're gonna be full after this one. Ooh, that's good. Here we have the hot dog from Amsterdam. It's all the best parts of a pizza in a hot dog. Let's give it a try. Saucy, salty, a little bit sweet, and we got some nice cheese. This one's really good. Next up, we have a Swedish hot dog. This is wrapped in a tortilla. We got mashed potatoes. We got a shrimp sauce. Let's give it a try. Ooh. This doesn't even taste like a hot dog. It tastes like Thanksgiving surf and turf meets I don't even know. This one is really good though. Ketchup and mustard are great on hot dogs, but I can't wait to try these at home. Thank you for watching. My name is Elliot, and don't forget to stay tuned for more grilling goodness. And if you don't know what a glizzy gobbler is, I'll show you. This is what a glizzy gobbler does. They just gobble down hot dogs whole. I can't do it, but that's what you're supposed to do.